to Fun Tales Factory. Today, let's learn counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. O-N-E-1. One puppy. 2. T-W-O-2. 1, 2. 2 rabbits. 3. T-H-R-E-E-3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yaks. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squirrels. 6. S-I-X. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elephants. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bears. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zebras. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 giraffes. 10. T-E-N. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ants. Write to funtales@gmail.com to grab our kids activity bundle at amazing rates. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.